When you will submit paper?
So now.
Huh? I will speak to you
Hello.
after the lecture. You ask your dad to call me if he is free, or I will call at late night 11 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Next sum. Again, very good sum. We have done earlier also. 8 drops of mercury, 8 drops of mercury of equal radii and possessing equal charges combine to form a single drop. The ratio of the capacitance of the big drop to the capacity of a single drop. First, all of you write the question, and those who are knowing, I will ask to check how many of you know. 3:1, 4:1. 8 drop of mercury of equal radii having equal charges combined to form single drop, then ratio of capacitance of big drop to the single drop will be how much? This is the question. You have written the question so that I can clear it off. 8 drops of mercury of equal radii having equal charge combined to form single drop. The ratio of capacitance of big drop to the capacity of single drop is which one? Question written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. देखो कभी भी ऐसा सम देखा ना, ड्रॉप इज बिकमिंग ड्रॉपलेट और ड्रॉपलेट कंबाइंस टू बिकम ड्रॉप, सबसे पहला दोनों के बीच का रेडियस का रिलेशन वी हैव टू फाइंड. हाउ मेनी ड्रॉपलेट्स आर स्प्लिटिंग कंबाइनिंग टू गिव अ बिगर ड्रॉप? 8 ना?
8.
So 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to volume of one big drop. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. So 8 r cube is capital R cube. That means 2r equals to capital R. So I got
Sir,
relation.
option C now.
Pardon?
Option C now. 2.
Option C.
Yes, sir.
हाँ हो सकता है, रुको. Now capacity formula for sphere. General capacity is Q by V for anything. V is nothing but Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught radius. General formula. So C becomes 4 pi epsilon 0 r. This is capacity of spherical conductor. So C of large, they want ratio of large to the ratio of big drop, large to that of small, will become radius of large upon radius of small. Radius of large is 2r upon r. So answer is 2:1. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
See, I did 3 sums. Out of 3, almost 1 or 2 students were knowing all. So every sum is new for you. Please write properly. Arun Patil, not 3:1. Followed the answer?
हाँ सर.
Can I rub this now?
हाँ सर.
A capacitor of capacitance 4 microfarad is charged to a potential of 100 volts. It is then disconnected from the battery. Disconnected from the battery and connected in parallel with another capacitor C2 if their common potential is 40 volts, then value of C2 is 2 microfarad, 3 microfarad, 5 microfarad, 6 microfarad. Two, 3, 5 or 6. Question written, I think. Yes, question you have written. No?
Yes, sir.
Just take 1 minute. Let me see how many of you can get the answer. Common potential formula is V equals to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2. Common potential is 40 volt. C1 is 4 microfarad. V1 is 100 plus C2 we have to calculate. It was not connected to any battery at the start. So 0 upon C1 4 plus C2. So we get 40 equals to 400 upon 4 plus C2. 40 into 10. 4 plus C2 is 10. Therefore, C2 is 6 microfarad. 6 microfarad. Anybody who has not followed this sum?
सर V2 हम लोगों ने 0 क्यों लिया?
क्वेश्चन जरा रीड करो जोर से, फिर बताता हूँ मैं.
A capacitor of capacitance 4 microfarad is charged to potential of 100 volts. It is then disconnected from battery and is connected in parallel with another capacitor C2.
हाँ, वो C2 के पास कुछ भी वोल्टेज नहीं है ना, बोला है
सर पर हम लोग उसको कनेक्ट करते हैं ना फिर बाद में V1 से।
कनेक्ट किया इससे तो कॉमन पोटेंशियल आ गया ना बाद में 40। ये तो स्टार्ट वाला है ना।
ओके ओके ओके
मतलब ऐसा था एक कंडेंसर, उसको आपने एक बैटरी से चार्ज किया, फिर क्या किया, इसको दूसरा कंडेंसर से ज्वाइन कर दिया जिसके पास कुछ भी चार्ज नहीं था स्टार्ट में। ऐसा है ना क्वेश्चन अपना, नहीं समझा लगता है आपको?
सर पर मुझे डाउट ये आया कि फिर हम लोग V1 इज इक्वल टू V2 क्यों नहीं लेते?
कैसे ले सकते हैं? V1 V2 तब लेंगे जब भी दोनों का कैपेसिटी सेम होगा तो ना।
ओ ओके ओके।
कैपेसिटी तो अलग अलग है ना।
हाँ सर समझे।
वापस देख लो, वापस एकदम सही समय है। 4 माइक्रोफेराड का कैपेसिटर, उसको आपने चार्ज किया 100 वोल्ट वाला बैटरी से, फिर बाद में चार्ज करके इसको निकाल दिया। सो व्हेन यू रिमूव द बैटरी, चार्ज तो सेम रहने वाला है ना, कांस्टेंट 4 into 100। देन यू कनेक्टेड टू अनदर कंडेंसर, ये कंडेंसर को चार्ज किया ही नहीं था तो उसका V2 क्या है, 0 लिखा है। गॉट इट? हेलो?
या सर गॉट इट।
बाद में दोनों का V1 V2 सेम हो गया, क्योंकि व्हेन यू कनेक्ट तो आपस में वो चार्ज डिस्चार्ज होएगा ना, टिल पोटेंशियल बिकम सेम। So after connecting, somebody asks what is voltage, then you are correct. V1 is same as V2.
Done, sir.
एकदम सिंपल है, जस्ट टू चेक क्लिक हो रहा है क्या, एकदम सिंपल सा मैंने लिखा। द प्लेट्स ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कंडेंसर of capacity C1 are moved closer. The plates of parallel plate condenser of capacity C1 are moved closer together until they are half their original separation. Until they are half their original separation. What is the new capacitance? Options are C2 is C1, C2 is C1. Second option C2 is double C1. Third option C2 is C1 by 2. And fourth option C2 is 3C. C2 is 3C. ये भी C1 ही होगा, प्रिंट बराबर। Plates of parallel plate condenser of capacity C1 are moved closer to each other until they are half their original separation. Then what is new capacity? मतलब पहला capacity C1 था, फिर नजदीक लाया till the length distance becomes half the original. So new capacity is how much?
ऑप्शन बी है क्या?
Perfect. Distance half तो capacity double होता है ना।
पोपट।
B is correct. B. See, C formula is A K epsilon 0 by D. Okay. So C1
Yes,
upon
sir.
C2 will be D2 by D1. So C1
Yes.
upon C2, D2 कर दिया वो लोग ने half, D1 upon D1 cancel. Therefore C2 equals to double of C1. C2 equals to double of C1. Okay. Shall I again remove this and give one another sum?
Yes, sir.
अब थोड़ा ये difficult है अभी. Tell me formula for energy stored between the plate of condenser. What is formula for energy?
Half CV square.
बराबर. Energy between plates of condenser. Half CV square. What is second formula? Or half QV or half Q square by C. Please write this formula again. Half CV square or half QV or half Q square by C. Written?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Two identical condensers are connected in parallel as shown. In parallel as shown. This is battery of voltage B, capacity C. This is one key. Initially they are connected as shown. Then key is opened and dielectric of 3 is introduced in first condenser, in both condenser. Then find ratio of energy before and after. Ratio of energy before and after. So first it was condenser like this. Okay, just draw this diagram. This is first diagram and second diagram is given like this. This is second diagram. Voltage is same and capacity of dielectric constant 3 is introduced in both condenser. Then find ratio of energy before and after. So both are identical. Start में CC है, बाद में ये C हो जाएगा 3C, ये भी हो जाएगा 3C. Because when dielectric it is put, then C becomes K times original. Diagram is drawn. First key closed, then key open करके दोनों को dielectric दिया. What is energy before and after ratio?
सर वो इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन के बाद क्या लिखा है?
In both condenser. In both condenser. Then find ratio of energy before and after. Question I'm clearing, huh? This is first case. Key is closed. CC voltage is. So energy before and after का ratio पूछा. In second case, same battery, but key is open. This becomes 3C. This also becomes 3C. What is voltage? Voltage is same. What is ratio of energy before and after? Yes, done. Diagram done. This is before, this is after. I want ratio of energy before and after. Just write somewhere. When battery is kept connected, then voltage remains same. अच्छे से देख लो किधर. When battery is kept connected, then voltage remains same. Voltage remains same. If battery is disconnected, then charge remains same. Then battery is disconnected, then charge remains same. When battery is kept connected, then voltage remains same. When battery is disconnected, then charge remains same. Now look, first case. We want what is energy before it was disconnected. What is voltage across this first one? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
What will be energy stored before? Half into total capacity into voltage square. Can you tell me what is total capacity of system? They are in parallel. So what will be capacity?
Two C.
2C V square. So can we say it is nothing but CV square? Can I say that CV square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this part gets disconnected. मतलब इधर जो चार्ज था ना स्टार्ट में बाद में भी वही चार्ज रहेगा. So I should find what is the charge when battery is disconnected from one and kept connected on the other. Suppose this I call C1 and this I call C2, let us take. So energy across first one will be half its capacity and voltage. That means 3CV square by 2. I think you agree with me. इसका across का voltage मालूम है, capacity मालूम है, तो half 3C into V square. Are you agreeing with me?
Yes, sir.
अभी इसका अगर चार्ज मिल गया ना, चार्ज इसका C2 वाले का चार्ज मिला तो उसका एनर्जी मिलेगा, बिकॉज वोल्टेज आई एम नॉट नोइंग, डिस्कनेक्ट किया हम लोग. व्हाट विल बी चार्ज ऑन सेकेंड वन? आपने इसको डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया तो जो पहला चार्ज था वही बाद में भी रहेगा ना. हेलो?
हाँ.
चार्ज ऑन Q2 is same before and after because it is disconnected, is same before and after. So Q2 का चार्ज बिफोर कितना है? CV है क्या? नहीं. Charge on C2 is same before and after, that is Q2 will remain CV. हेलो?
Yes, sir.
अभी मुझे सेकेंड वाले का चार्ज समझ गया, सेम एज फर्स्ट वाला. इधर जो चार्ज था ना बाद में भी वही होएगा, बिकॉज बैटरी इज डिस्कनेक्टेड, चार्ज रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. सो फर्स्ट का एनर्जी मालूम है, सेकेंड वाले का एनर्जी कैन आई फाइंड लाइक दिस? U2 is half into Q2 square upon C. That means it is half Q2 is C square V square, but C नया वाला is nothing but 3C. Very important term. ये चार्ज है, Q is CV, but capacity तो नया वाला हो गया ना 3C. So this will become CC cancel, CV square upon 6. So total energy after, please copy till this, then I'm clearing. First part is copied, first one.
Yes, sir.
So before battery is not disconnected, total capacity is 2C, voltage is V, therefore its energy is half of total capacity into V square. बाद में एक को डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया और उसका अंदर डाइलेक्ट्रिक ऑफ कैपेसिटी कांस्टेंट 3 डाला, तो चार्ज जो पहले था ना वही बाद में रहने वाला है, बट कैपेसिटी चेंज कर दिया, इसलिए उसका नया एनर्जी आया हाफ ओल्ड चार्ज का स्क्वायर अपॉन न्यू कैपेसिटी. ओल्ड चार्ज का स्क्वायर अपॉन न्यू कैपेसिटी. So U after will be U1 plus U2, which is same as 3 CV square by 2 plus CV square by 6. So LCM is 6, 2 into 3, 3 3s are 9, CV square plus CV square, that is 10 CV square by 6. So it will become 5 by 3 CV square. New energy 5 by 3 CV square. So ratio before upon after will be CV square upon 5 by 3 CV square, which will become 3 by 5. All of you copy, please check. नहीं समझा तो फिर से समझाऊंगा, but please after copying खुद से समझने का कोशिश करो. Yes, understood the sum or you want me to explain again? Hello?
Understood, sir.
रब कर दो फिर, सबको समझ में आ गया? हेलो?
हाँ सर।
अभी थोड़ा सा फिर से डिफिकल्ट वाला ही देता हूँ। नहीं जान दो, थोड़ा इजी करता हूँ। Easy sum, very easy sum. Because first easy you try. इससे इजी नहीं होएगा। C1, C2, C3 are 3 capacitor, each of 6 picofarad, each of 6 picofarad connected across battery of voltage V. Find the total capacitance. Find the total capacitance of the combination. Option I am not giving. चलो दे देता हूँ। 6 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad, 3 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad, 2 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad, and fourth one 9 into 10 raised to minus 12. Easiest of all, please do solve it correctly. Anybody got answer? See, please tell the answer today only. Don't give the answer tomorrow.
Sir, C
0.5 picofarad.
सर ऑप्शन सी है 2 into 10 raised to minus 12.
करेक्ट। पर इतना टाइम कैसा लगा? ये टाइम लगने वाला सम है क्या? जीरो कैपेसिटी इक्वल है। So if there are n condensers in series, resultant capacity will be C by n. N equal, so 1 upon C, 1 upon C, 1 upon C, वो टाइप का है ना ये? That will become n upon C, reciprocal C by n, C upon 2, 3 picofarad is total 3. 2 into 10 raised to minus 12. So much time why you are taking? Hello? Which method you all did? Same method or different method? See 1 upon CS क्या है? 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 है ना, तो ये सब इक्वल है, तो ये तो 2 मिनट 30 सेकंड का काम है, इतना टाइम लगाओगे तो कैसे चलेगा? नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 1 condenser, 2 condenser, 3, 4, 5. We want now 5 capacitor, each of capacity C are joined as shown in the figure. Resultant capacity is 2 microfarad. Find each capacity, value of each. All are equal. Option are 5 micro, 20 micro, 10 micro, and 4 micro. These are the options. 10.
Sir, 10.
Answer, you are getting 10?
Yeah, sir.
क्या लॉजिक है?
So सीरीज में है ना, so 1/C plus 1/C plus 1/C ऐसा टोटल 5 कैपेसिटर्स है, तो 5/C आएगा. So
नहीं
5/C
5/C नहीं आएगा, C/5 आएगा.
नहीं, 5/C is equal to 1 upon C of ये.
1 upon C resultant 5/C बराबर है.
So फिर C resultant दिया is 2, so cross multiplication.
बराबर 10 माइक्रोफैराड. ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट? ये सीरीज है, डिजाइन पे मत जाओ, इधर से चार्ज आएगा, सेम ही फ्लो हो रहा है ना थ्रू आउट, देयर इज नो डिवीजन, तो सीरीज है. गलती से ये दोनों पैरेलल मत ले लेना आप. Shall I clear this now? Next sum, can you try if I give? Hello? Will you try next?
हाँ सर.
If CS, if मस्त क्वेश्चन आया है एग्जाम में आया है, CS and CP are equivalent, CS and CP are equivalent capacities, equivalent capacities of n identical condensers joined in series and in parallel respectively. Then the ratio Cp upon Cs is n square 1 upon n square n plus 1 upon n. Try. CS Cp are equivalent capacity of n condenser joined in series and parallel, then ratio of Cp upon Cs. Let me see how many of you are again getting correct answer.
सर n स्क्वायर
बराबर, n स्क्वायर बराबर है. अभी देखो कैसा एक लाइनर है, Cp n कंडेंसर किया तो n टाइम्स C एंड CS इज C by n, आपको थोड़ी देर पहले बताया मैंने. सो Cp अपॉन CS इज NC upon C by N. CC cancel, N square. आर्यन सिंह, got the answer?
Yes, sir.
पर आपको समझा है कैसा आया?
हाँ सर.
दो कंडेंसर सीरीज में रहेगा तो रिजल्ट कितना होएगा? दो इक्वल कंडेंसर इन सीरीज. बोलो आंसर. दो इक्वल कंडेंसर इन सीरीज क्या होएगा रिजल्टेंट?
C upon N.
C अपॉन 2. दो इक्वल था. दो अनइक्वल इन सीरीज होगा तो शॉर्टकट क्या है इसका? प्रोडक्ट अपॉन सम.
C1 C2. Yes sir.
वही प्रोडक्ट अपॉन सम. इसलिए सब थोड़ा याद रखो.
Yes sir.
नेक्स्ट वन. Q R S C C C C. ये बीच में कंडेंसर. We want equivalent capacity between P and R. Equivalent capacity between P and R we want. Is it balanced condition वाला?
Yes sir.
Balanced मतलब बीच वाले को फेंक सकते हैं ना उठा के.
Yeah.
So we got these four. Now these two CC, they are in series or in parallel?
Series.
What is C and C ka series? Can you tell?
C by 2.
Very good. And lower wala is also C by 2?
Yes sir.
Now what will be resultant? C equivalent. C by 2, C by 2 in parallel. So just add. Na?
C.
C.
Answer is C. So C is the required answer. Done, huh? Hello? This one is over. Next one, can I give?
Yes sir.
Next one. A network of 2 microfarad, 4 microfarad. This is how it is connected. Point B, C, C, A. 3 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 4 microfarad. A network of capacitor is as shown in the figure. Equivalent capacitance between the points A and D I require. Option C is 3 microfarad, 4 microfarad, 5 microfarad, 2 microfarad and 5 microfarad. So
सर ऑप्शन सी है क्या?
2 and 4 are in parallel, so it is 6. 3 and 1, 4 are in parallel, 10. Sorry, 4. So ये 6 and 4 in series, 6 4 12 series हो गया. अभी इसका रिजल्ट निकालना है. It is 1/6 plus 1/4 plus 1/12 is 1/c equivalent. LCM is 12. 2 plus 3 plus 1. That means it is 6/12.
हाँ
1 by 2. Answer is
yes.
2. So 2. C is the answer. 2 microfarad. Done?
Yes sir.
Okay. This one try now. Twenty 20 microfarad. ऐसा कनेक्टेड है. इधर 20 back to 3. Find equivalent capacity between A and B. Try on your own. मुझे तो देख के ओरल आ गया. 20 आंसर है. आपको क्या लगता है? करेक्ट ना?
Yes, sir.
Because this is thrown off. 20
हाँ, sir.
20 series will be 10. 20 20 series 10. 10 10 parallel 20. चलेगा ना? समझ गया?
हाँ सर.
Okay. Next one. The effective capacitance between the points X and Y is. Do. All are same capacity. All capacitors are 4 microfarad. All are 4 microfarad. We want equivalent between X and Y. Between X and Y. Just see, wait. Give some number to these junctions. It will become easier. 1, ये junction को नाम 2, इसको 3, इसको 4 नाम दो, ऐसा easy होएगा. So we want result between 1 and 4. This 1 and 4 I am writing opposite. 2 you can write either above or below. दूसरा वाला 3. Just check. 1 and 2 के बीच में there is one condenser. सब 4 microfarad बोला है. Between 1 and 3 also there is one condenser. 4 microfarad.
Sir, इसका answer I guess it is 4.
Yes, correct. So 1, 2, 1, 3 over 1, 4 है ही नहीं. Coming to 2. 2 and 3 we have one condenser. Same 4 wala. Between 2 and 4. 2 and 4 we have C5. Between 3 and 4 we have one more condenser. C3. All are 4 microfarad 4. तो ये तो पहले वाले जैसे हो गया ना. Just remove this. 4 and 4 are in series, so total 2. 4 and 4 are in series, total 2. These 2 are in parallel, total will be 4. 4 microfarad is the answer. Completed, na? Hello?
हाँ sir. Yes sir.
एक मिनट थोड़ा